Hi, John Yunchai here with HTC Tool-Cutter Manufacturing. As a leader in the cutting tool industry, we've expanded at a rapid rate as we support the automotive industry, aerospace, and defense. Our capability has grown to surpass over 225 CNC machines, allowing HTC a vast inventory of ready-to-ship products at a 99% fill rate right from stock. We have invested in state-of-the-art inspection technology to ensure our consumers quality, consistency that they could rely on. Coated tools are in a high demand, so we've invested in 6 coating machines to ensure you and your consumer an excellent cutting tool that competes in today's demanding market. Now, let's take an in-depth look at our manufacturing process.
From our family to yours, we would like to thank all of our distributors for your continuous support. Because of this, together we are keeping America working.
Here at HTC, we welcome you to come see it for yourself. We appreciate your support, now and into the future.